In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Metamask. First, open the Metamask extension or mobile app and unlock your wallet. Once you're on the main screen, click your account icon or the menu button to access your wallet settings. Next, open Settings and look for the Appearance or General section, depending on the version of Metamask you're using. Here, you'll find the available theme options for the wallet interface. After that, select Dark as your preferred theme. Some versions of Metamask also include a system option, which automatically matches your device's light or dark mode settings. Choose the option that best fits your preference. Now, return to the main wallet screen and confirm that the dark theme has been applied. Browse through a few pages, such as the Assets and Activity tabs, to make sure the new appearance is active throughout the wallet. Finally, if you ever want to switch back, return to the same settings page and select Light or System at any time. Your theme preference will be saved automatically for future sessions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable dark mode on Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.